All for unity. Twentieth century, a time of peace, 100 years of conflict and war. Hundreds of millions of people are dead. Violence prevails across the world. In this, the 21st century, are suffering because of tensions between different nations. Far too many people across the world are too scared even to leave homes. Every day, hundreds of friends or relatives, mothers and fathers, have been injured or died in fighting.
Yet despite all, some people are striving to a climate of conflict instead of solidarity and mutual aid between civilizations. It's possible to regard such efforts as legitimate and remain silent in the face of them. It is obvious that civilization will lead to a terrible disaster for all. One of the such a tragedy can be prevented is the beginning of collaboration between civilizations. What's more, this is easy because there are no profound differences between Islam and the West in some way. On the contrary, and as we will be revealing supporting evidence, and there are many common between Islamic civilization and the Judeo-Christian culture that represents the foundation of Western civilization. So it will be a simple matter, on the basis of these common values, to collaborate to solve the problems of the world.